Imagine you were cruising down the highway in your hybrid vehicle, enjoying that great gas mileage, and suddenly a warning light pops up on the dash. Or even worse, the electric drive system just shuts down completely. It is a scary moment, right? If you've plugged in your scanner and pulled the trouble code P0AFC, you're looking at an issue with the hybrid battery pack sensor module. Now, do not panic just yet, because we are going to break this down. Basically, your car's powertrain control module, or PCM, is telling you that the brain monitoring your high-voltage battery pack has detected a malfunction. In the world of hybrids, especially in models like Toyotas, Hondas, or Fords, this sensor module is often called the HVBCM. Its main job is to watch over the health of your high-voltage battery pack, which is usually made up of 28 nickel metal hydride batteries wired together in a series. Think of it like a string of old Christmas lights. If one section has a problem, the whole system notices. This module monitors everything from the temperature of individual cells to their resistance and charge level. If it sees something out of whack, it triggers that P0AFC code to protect the system. The symptoms can range from just a check engine light to the car refusing to go into electric mode, or in severe cases, the vehicle might disable the electric propulsion entirely to prevent damage. Now, before you dive into fixing this, I have to give you a serious warning. We're dealing with high voltage systems here, and those orange cables carry enough current to be extremely dangerous. If you're not comfortable or qualified to work with high voltage, this is one of those times where calling a pro is the smart move. But if you have the safety gear and the know-how, start with a visual inspection. You want to look at the battery pack itself and the wiring harnesses. Look for any signs of corrosion on the connectors, or maybe some water damage if you've had a leak in the trunk area. Corrosion is a huge enemy here. Make sure all those bus bar connectors are tight and clean. If everything looks good physically, you'll need a diagnostic scanner to look at the data stream. You want to see if the module is sending any data at all. If the power and ground going to the module are fine, but there's no signal coming out, you might be looking at a dead controller. Remember, replacing these often requires reprogramming, so keep that in mind. Don't just clear the code and hope for the best. If the PCM enters readiness mode and the code doesn't come back immediately, you might have an intermittent wiring issue, which can be a headache to track down. Always check your fuses and relays related to the hybrid system first, because sometimes a simple blown fuse can mimic a major computer failure. Stay safe, take your time, and check those connections thoroughly.